Greetings, Hubbard School parents and families, and welcome to the third edition of the Hubbard Spotlight. In this edition, we're going to visit the music room in Mrs. Ryan to see some of the enrichment experiences she's providing students in the realm of drumming.
Our African drumming workshop with Dennis Cotton kicks off our 5th grade unit on African drumming. Through this unit, all students have the exciting opportunity to experience the power of making music as a community, regardless of their musical background and skill set. The experience also builds upon musical content taught in 5th grade, including advanced rhythm concepts, ensemble skills, listening, improvisation, and cultural connection to music around the globe.
It's empowerment is what it is. I'm training about empowerment, about going into something you've not done before, to do it, feel good about yourself, creates energy. Also, drumming is an analogy for anything, especially social hierarchies, things like that. So drumming can be used in so many different ways, and they don't even realize. That's the fun part, is they don't realize what they're learning. It's happening, it's unfolding before them, but they don't even know what's going on, and all these messages are being sent. It's really pretty powerful, and it works at all age groups.
The first thing that I saw the drums, I was kind of excited to try all of them. Especially in the morning, you all tired in the morning, but after playing a drum, it makes me pumped up.
You put a drum in front of them, and they're just reckless abandon. They just go for it, and it's an important time. It's a time to let them know this is the time to make noise, to have fun. Watching the kids that are very quiet and very shy and very aware of their peers, and watching them blossom as it goes. That's my favorite thing. I watch this, I see it all the time. The kid who sits very quietly in the background, maybe doesn't have a lot of friends, maybe whatever, but this is their freedom. When everybody's making noise, then they're not being looked at. They're part of a bigger thing that's happening, and they blossom. And I see that every single time I come and do it, and it's my favorite thing. That's my favorite thing.
My favorite part was probably when I did my drum solo and everyone else was how a beat. One cool thing I learned was the song at the end, and how we talked about how the kids were very young when they started to drum.
In the beginning, they were a little messy, you know. It's because they don't know how to listen yet. And through the exercises that I was doing, I'm getting them to not only be aware of what you're doing, but what other people around you are doing, and try to fit in with that and make it a thing that becomes bigger than yourself. And that is what I saw today. Little messy, they started to lock in. We give them a little bit of information in between drumming portions. They get that energy out, and then by the end, as you heard, they were locked in, and they were doing, and everybody was expressing, all smiles. It went really well today. These are a good group of kids, but the kids here at Hubbard are always great. They're some of my favorite kids that I come to. I love this school.
Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next edition for the Hubbard Spotlight.